Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Today, I want to talk about some of the most amazing helpers in our gardens, pollinators. You know, those buzzing bees and fluttering butterflies? They're not just pretty to look at, they play a crucial role in our garden's success. Let's shine a light on one of my favorite crops, squash. Those bright yellow squash flowers, they're like neon signs for bees, calling them over to do their magic. Without these pollinators, our squashes wouldn't grow half as healthy or delicious. Now, here's a gardening tip for you. If you want to attract more pollinators, plant a variety of flowers like sunflowers, lavender, and marigolds near your garden. These plants provide nectar and habitat for beneficial insects, making your garden a buzzing hub of activity. And here's something really cool. By supporting our farm, you're also supporting the local ecosystem. Every pollinator helps to keep our farms and community thriving. So, you're not just growing a garden, you're nurturing a whole network of life. If you're in the area, come visit us at 801W Highland Ave, Albany, GA 31701, or feel free to give us a call at 229-800-3060 for more info. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gardening!